So now what we can do is make a noise, start to block in our ship. So what did we have here? We had roughly that shape. Okay, I'm just going to use Alt to select here, Alt and select. Oops, there we go. Okay, I'm going to fill this guy with, let's just fill it with black for now. We will give it some wings. Add our little cutouts. Not letting me, oh, I'm hitting Control instead of Alt. My mistake. Add some of these back in here. Add a secondary wing down here. I think this secondary wing needs to be a little thicker. And then another one here. Perspective is probably off on this guy. What are you doing, Photoshop? Just let me, there we go. Okay, so it's not bad. It could be more dynamic. So one cheap way to do that is once you've kind of got your shape, you can Control T, and distort. So you can just hold Control to grab these points here. All right. I'm going to shrink this guy down a little bit because I'm going to want him higher in the sky. And I think I want that wing to be quite a bit larger. Let's distort just the wing. There we go. That's more the profile that I was going for.